You just described a feature to your terminal, and an AI agent read your entire code base, found the right files, wrote the code, and pushed a clean diff in under 60 seconds. That is not the future. That is Grok Build, and it just launched. Grok Build is xAI's brand new agentic coding tool, a terminal-based AI developer that runs directly in your project folder. You point it at a code base, describe what you want in plain English, and it handles the rest. Research, planning, file edits, parallel subagents, the whole workflow. It runs on Grok 4.3, xAI's latest model, and it's built to compete head-to-head with Claude Code, OpenAI Codex, and Cursor. This is xAI saying, we're in the developer game now. Let's talk features. First, codebase-aware planning. Grok Build doesn't just write code blindly. It starts by reading your project structure, files, dependencies, architecture, and builds a plan before touching anything. Ask it to add rate limiting to your API, and it will first map every relevant file, explain its approach, then execute. You see the plan before the diff. Second, parallel subagents and worktree support. This is where Grok Build pulls ahead. It can spin up parallel subagents to tackle multiple parts of a codebase simultaneously. Combined with Git worktree support, you can run multiple jobs at once without stepping on your main branch. For large refactors or multi-module work, this is a game changer. Third, agent client protocol and headless mode. Grok Build supports ACP, a new open standard for agent-to-agent communication. That means it can be plugged into CI pipelines, orchestrated by other agents, or run headless in automated workflows. This isn't just a dev tool, it's an infrastructure component. So how do you use it? Getting started is straightforward. Grok Build is currently in early beta, available first to Super Grok Heavy subscribers at $300 per month. Access is also opening via the xAI API for developers who want to integrate it programmatically. Open your terminal, navigate to your project folder, and launch Grok Build. Type your task in plain English, something like, add input validation to the user registration endpoint. It reads the repo, proposes a plan, you confirm, and it executes. Output is clean diffs you review before committing. There's also a headless mode for running it as part of automated pipelines without any human in the loop. The free tier doesn't exist yet. It's beta only for Super Grok Heavy users right now, but broader access is expected to roll out soon. Who is this for? Grok Build is built for professional developers, engineers working on real code bases who want to delegate complex, multi-file tasks to an AI that actually understands context. If you're building solo, running a startup, or managing a lean dev team, this cuts hours off your week. At $300 a month for Super Grok Heavy, it's not cheap, but if it saves you even a few hours of engineering time per week, the math works. The verdict. Grok Build is a serious tool from a serious company, and it just raised the bar for AI coding agents. Watch this space closely. If you want to stay on top of AI tools that actually move the needle, follow Patapo AI. We post the AI tools that actually matter every single day. See you tomorrow.